Thank you, Representative Gobbler. And once again, this legislation is being put forward to ensure that our courts are going to not use foreign laws to make decisions that ultimately that law from a foreign nation would be in conflict with our Constitution. Our Constitution affirms rights of our citizens. Those rights need to be defended, need to be protected, and our court should be doing the same as we do by abiding by their oath of office. But as we know, not everybody abides by their oath of office. The Democratic treasurer last year resigned in disgrace for extortion. The Democratic Attorney General this year resigned after nine counts of being convicted for nine different crimes. We've got colleagues in our own body that have left this session because of convictions and more that are indicted. Now, just because you take an oath, just because there's a law, doesn't mean people are going to do the right things. We know judges are not doing the right things all the time. We've got dozens of cases across this country where courts are allowing Sharia law to be invoked, which is one of those foreign laws. So when a foreign law is being brought in and being invoked, and you have judges making decisions on that in our country that are violating the rights of women and children in this country, violating the rights of citizens in this country, their constitutional rights, all of us should be concerned about that. All of us that take an oath to uphold and defend the Constitution for the sake of ourselves, our families, our constituents, our fellow statesmen, countrymen, we all should have a concern that we have to defend the Constitution. And this law is going to reiterate that to the courts, that when you make decisions, you will not use foreign law that will be contrary to our constitutions, either our state or federal constitution. It's common sense. It shouldn't be needed because that's what the court should be doing. But based on dozens of cases across this country taking place, dozens of cases where they've invoked Sharia law while making decisions, and some of those are wrong decisions, even some being overturned by appeals courts because the wrong decision was made the first time around. I think it's important for Pennsylvania that we protect Pennsylvanians, that we make sure that our courts are doing the right thing and that they're protecting our constitutions and not bringing foreign law in that's going to violate the constitutional rights of our citizens.